So if you're a creator here on YouTube, and one of the things you're struggling with is how do you sell your product without, ending up as one of those gurus who pushes their course out only to make money off the back of their audience without actually delivering result. And maybe you actually have a result that you think is going to offer value. However, what you're seeing is that nevertheless, people still complain, and that's a problem for you. The fact that people are going to go to Reddit to complain about the delivery or how terrible it is or how this course was created just to make money off of their audience. This video is going to help you fix that problem. Because guess what? We've worked with a lot of clients and creators here on YouTube as well who have been there, who understands what they stand to lose if their audience blacklists them or put them in that cage of, the fake guru who just puts out content consistently just to make money off of the back of them. So here's how the process is. Oftentimes, it always comes down to your delivery process. Again, like I said, we've done this a million times at this point. The way you deliver your product, it could be good, it could actually raise the dead, but people will still find it valuable if the delivery system, the way you package the product and deliver to your audience, isn't done right. And that's what I want to help you with today, to make sure that whatever product you have, whether it's high ticket or maybe it's just a community program, is going to deliver the outcome that you hope to achieve once that product is launched. All right, let's jump right into it. Delivery is at the core of what will make your audience feel like they've just done or the payment they just made is actually worth it. How do you package your product in terms of the delivery? What are the things that are around the core product that forms kind of like an assistance to make sure that people actually follow through with your course module in order for them to deliver the result? And I'm going to break this down so this makes sense a lot to you. Let's say, for example, your offer is about helping people lose weight, right? That's all you do. And a large part of how that happens for you is one, let's say they have to do exercise, right? And another function that they have to do is for them to eat healthy meal. So we want to just put healthy meal. These are the two things that makes up the core of your offer. Ideally, what you want to do instantly once you form the base of your entire product. So you've already created the course modules for the exercise. You already have the meals that you're supposed to eat. But that's not it, right? You can't stop there. The way to make this something that would actually achieve results for your audience is to list out all the simple problems that will come in the way between your audience once they start your product and to actually achieve the outcome that they set out to in the first place. That's what your program exists for, right? So what are those problems? You start listing them out. So let's say part of your process requires them to cook healthy meals. This means that they have to whip up a couple of things, right? But for some people, maybe they don't want to cook. Maybe they don't like to cook. Or for some reasons, they don't have the time to cook. One of the things you have to do, because these are all objections now, is you need to sit down and come up with ways that, okay, so how can I get these guys to actually go ahead and cook healthy meals so that eventually they would lose weight? Okay, so maybe one of the great ideas that you could come up with is a cookbook. A cookbook that contains probably about 300 healthy meals that can be made in less than 30 minutes. That could be part of the things you do. But check this out. For some people, they might say, oh, doesn't that mean that I have to get out of my home, drive all the way to the groceries to buy the product? Like, I really don't want to do that. What you could do as part of the offer, again, these are the things I'm saying, all the supporting materials that need to go with your core program that will make sure that every single problem that they could ever conceive, your program solves that. That is the core of making an absolutely great delivery for your audience. Now, what we could come up with is partner up with people who would help them go to the grocery stores, buy the ingredients that they're going to need for them to make that healthy meal and bring it right to the doorstep for your audience. That could be a perfect thing you could do. What I want you to do is this. Sit down and write up all of those things you can come up with. There's a client we're working with right now. He's in the AI age. And one of the things the offer he has is taking absolute beginners, give them every single thing, the tools, the systems, the emails, everything that they need to take the core skill, which is to build AI automation, and start an AI agency in the back of it to help them make money off of the skill that they know. Guess what we did? We listed out all the possible problems that could stand in the way of those people. So for example, one of the things that was part of the delivery was for them to send cold emails. But guess what? A lot of people didn't want to do that, right? So what are the objections? One of the core programs or solutions that we came up with is we created an AI system that writes the emails for them. That all they have to do is drop the name of the prospect they're trying to reach out to. The AI will do the research and whip up an amazing personalized email to that particular prospect. And all they have to do is hit send. Something as simple as that. What this did is it reduced the objection or the stress and the effort as someone who has paid for your course to actually go ahead and follow the course program that you set out for them. But guess what? We went a step further than that. Some people don't even want to do that, even as easy as it was. What we did is that we partnered up with a Facebook ad agency that once those clients comes in, we have a Facebook ad agency that will create ads, launch it in the bid to create a result for each of the specific clients. That's it. These are classic examples, and this work across different niche. Create a list of all the things that you know in your heart that people will maybe start doing it but stop down the line, but everything that will constitute effort on the part of your audience, everything that will constitute sacrifice, that they need to give up something. For example, for the weight loss, they have to wake up very early in the morning to jog, right? And maybe some of them are not early riser. They don't want to jog, but they need to do that for them to get the result. List out all those problems and come up with a solution that would make it a lot easier for them to follow that process to achieve the result. But check out, there's a second part of this entire process, which is the delivery mechanism. This is really important. What you want to do within the first week of people signing up to your offer is you want to create an amazing result for them. Something that they would naturally don't think they could achieve that within the first week, but you draw it close enough that they see that result instantly. This makes them feel, man, if I can achieve this in 1 week, imagine what I'm going to get in the next 6 months or in the next 1 year. That's the kind of feeling you want to give to them. Because when they get that feeling within the first 1 week, it already makes up for whatever lapses you could come up with or that would happen down the line in the future. That's how important this entire delivery mechanism process is. So, what's a classic example of the kind of delivery system you could do within 1 week? And the funny thing is, it doesn't even have to be the end result. So for the AI niche, all you could do to give them that feeling that they've paid for something that is so valuable, it could be as simple as just helping them set up their entire website. Build a voice agent on the back of this website that would already serve as an inquiry mechanism to get clients in within the first week. Also, you could go as far as creating their company for them within that first week, getting their details, registering their company, getting things set up. That first week of paying you to start their AI agency, they've already built their website. They have their company set up. They have AI voice agent that's going to actually do the calling for businesses. They have literally a lot of things done within the first week. If you can deliver that, remember, this is not actually the end goal that they want. What they want is clients. Clients that's going to pay them for the work that they do. But just delivering this first thing. And guess what? It doesn't take you a lot of time to do this. All you just need to do is have great partners on the back end that will instantly go straight into execution the minute they sign up for your offer. It's having systems like this in place that will make sure that everyone who gives you a dime feels like they're part of something great, that their life is about to change. And if you're one of those people who think, oh man, I think I'd rather want you to help me set this up instead of me doing it myself, check the link in the description. Just click it. It's going to take you to a type form where we just ask for your details. We want to know who you are, what you do, what you offer, and if there's a match, we'll be happy to jump into your business and help you set all of this in order. I hope this has been valuable. If it has, then smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.